9 out of 10 women skip breakfast, and that one habit, one decision is destroying your hormones, your hair, your nails, your energy levels, and your metabolism. Your hormones don't just randomly fall apart. Your hairs doesn't randomly fall apart. Your energy doesn't just disappear. It happens because your body is starving of specific nutrients, and most women living here in Canada and US are not getting them due to weather, hectic schedule, and lifestyle. So today I'm going to show you one superfood that you must include in your daily routine, which is going to be packed with scientifically backed up nutrients that is going to deliver exactly what your body is missing right now. Now, even before I get into this recipe, let me be upfront with you. I'm a man who coaches women, who specialize in women's health and fitness coaching. So I work with women every single day on hormones, on nutrition, on energy levels, on strength training, and on managing health and fitness while living a busy schedule. So I study this obsessively because my clients' results depend on it. I don't get periods and I'm not dealing with PCOS, but I do know the science. I do know what nutrients are missing in women's diet, and I also do know what has worked for the woman I coach every day. So based on that, I'm sharing this recipe today with you. This is something I have put together based on my research, based on my experience, ingredients, science, and real feedback from real women that I coach. And stay till the end of the video because I'm going to break down when you have to eat this, how you have to eat this, how much you have to eat this, and one protein rule that is going to make this superfood 100x more effective in your health and fitness. And if you are new here, hit that subscribe button. Let me tell you this because this is what constantly I see with majority of my clients living here in Canada and US. Working full-time, managing work and life responsibilities, dealing with brutal winters. So the first thing that usually disappears from the routine is breakfast. Statistics shows 9 out of 10 women keep breakfast on regular basis. And I get it. You are rushing, you don't have time, it's minus 20, minus 25, minus 30 degree temperature outside, and you have to reach at work on time, or you have to go to drop your kids at school. There is always going to be time crunch in the morning. So tea or coffee feels like enough for you. But actually, this is what is happening inside your body when you skip breakfast, when your body starves of that nutrients that your body needs to function properly, consistently on daily basis. So the first thing what happens, your cortisol level is going to spike every day if you skip your breakfast, and that is going to result in hormonal chaos. So if your day starts with hormonal chaos and high cortisol levels, then throughout your day, your body is going to struggle to balance that. So number two is your blood sugar levels are going to crash down. So if you don't give food to your body and also well-balanced nutrition that your body needs in the morning, so hota kya hai? Brain fog, those tiredness after 12 p.m. at work, mood swings, evening 3 p.m. 4 a.m. cravings, and then by the time you are back from work in the evening, you don't have energy to do even your workouts, even cook food for you or for your family or for your kids. That's because your day started with chaos. Number three, your hair follicles are going to literally starve because they need nutrients in the morning to grow, and if you are not giving nutrients, so फिर hair fall होगा, hair thinning होगा. Number four, your metabolism is going to slow down. So when you sleep at night, your body is already in the fasting phase, and when you wake up and you don't give food for hours and then you only supply tea or coffee just to stay energetic, and then you only eat lunch, that slow down your metabolism, and that is why your weight loss is also stuck, or you might not be getting results because when your metabolism slows down, your body goes into survival mode. So instead of losing fat, it starts storing fat. Number five, your energy is going to collapse after 3 p.m. That's when your craving starts coming. So that afternoon slump, आपको जो sleepy feel होता है, lazy feel होता है, lethargic feel होता है, that is what I'm talking about. It's not a problem, it's a symptom that your body is struggling. Number six is going to be hormonal imbalance. Estrogen, progesterone, thyroid, every hormone is going to get imbalance because when your cortisol levels are high, your body's first priority is going to reduce that cortisol level. So बाकी सारे hormones अपना काम efficiently and effectively नहीं कर पाएंगे, and that is going to create that imbalance. Number seven, winters. So Canadian winters drops your vitamin D levels because you don't get proper sunlight. When sun is out, either you are busy or it's just you are at work, so you're not able to get sunlight. And on the top, seasonal stress, work stress, immigration stress, all of that creates more chaos inside your body. And the thing that frustrates me the most as a coach is that women, you normalize these things. You feel that it's just normal. It's either because of your age or it's either because of your stress levels. And sometimes yes, but not often or in most cases. Your body is telling you that it's missing nutrients. So this symptoms is a signal that your body is trying to communicate with you that body needs specific kind of nutrients to perform on daily basis optimally. And that's exactly what this video is about. Before even I show you the exact recipe of how to make it and how to eat it, I want to make this one thing clear. This is not a supplement, this is not a miracle, this is not a magic food or a diet. Keep that everything out of your mind. ये जो आज हम बनाने वाले हैं, that is going to be ingredients जो हमारे household में years, decades से use हो रहे आ रहे. And our grandparents were used to eat this. That's why they had that strength and that health that what this generation is struggling about. So this is real food, nuts, seeds, dates, packed with nutrients that have been using in Indian households since generations. So I bought nutritional science and fitness together, and that's what this one superfood is going to be, that every woman needs in their busy routine every single day. Now before starting the recipe, I want you to pause this video, take this screenshot and see what I am adding and why I am adding to it and what your body is actually getting from these ingredients. So I'm taking pumpkin seeds, that is going to give you magnesium, zinc. I'm taking sesame seeds, you can take white or black, I'm just using white for this recipe. This is going to give you calcium, that is going to give you magnesium, that is going to support your strength, going to reduce your inflammation in your body, and hormonal support. Flax seeds, the best vegetarian source for omega-3 fatty acids for your body, that is going to support your hormone levels, that is going to reduce your inflammation. Sunflower seeds, that is going to give you vitamin E, magnesium. Almonds, walnuts, again walnuts, high source of omega-3 fatty acids, that is going to support your brain, your heart health. Cashew, fenugreek seeds, this is a secret ingredient that I'm going to add, that is going to support your blood sugar level control, digestive support. Then I'm going to add ginger powder, this is highly inflammatory, or you call it soot. And to make it a little sweeter and to provide potassium, magnesium, fiber, I'm going to add dates, that is going to support your energy naturally, that is also going to support your gut health. So now that you know what I'm adding and why I'm adding, so let's finally make it The full recipe is in the description, so you can check the PDF, and it is genuinely going to take like 15 to 25 minutes to prepare. So your next 2 to 3 weeks are going to sorted. You can also pause the video in between and follow along with me while I'm making my laddu. Look at this, no sugar, no refined anything, no cooking every single morning. You have just made yourself a superfood that you can eat in your breakfast and you are sorted. Now you know कि इसको कैसे बनाना है, but that is just step 1. But knowing how to use it and how much to use it, that's where you get results from this laddu, right? And this part is very important, don't skip this. So when is the best time, like what is the best time you can eat this? So 2 ways you can include this in your daily routine. 1, eat this in the morning with your breakfast, like अगर आप चाय या कॉफी पीते हो, so उससे पहले ये खा लो and then have your chai or coffee. Number 2, अगर आपको सुबह में नहीं खाना, then you can also include this in around afternoon as your snack option. तो आप ये 2 time है, that is going to be the best. If you are someone struggling with low low energy, cravings, hair fall symptoms, hormonal imbalances, then the best time for you is going to be morning, because morning is where your body actually needs nutrients the most out of your whole part of your day. How much to eat? If you are made according to size जो मैंने बनाई है, then one is enough. अगर आपने छोटे balls बनाए हुए हैं या फिर बार बनाया हुआ है छोटे like pieces बनाए हुए हैं, then ideally I would say have it 1 or 2. That's max, because this recipe is high in fat and fat is calorie dense food. अगर आप इतना खा रहे हो, it is still going to be like 150 to 200 calories. So watch out when it comes to quantity, and it's not about कि आप 1, 2, 3, 4 खा लोगे एक हफ्ते, so your body is going to get all the nutrients and वो balance आ जाएगा. जो पिछले 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 साल का जो deficiency है, you cannot meet that in a week or 2 even if आप पूरा दिन वो खाओगे. So think practically, 1 laddu, 1 small piece or 1 bar is max. Slowly after 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, you will see results that this is really working and how you are feeling and how your body is responding to it. So watch out the quantity and don't think कि जितना ज़्यादा खाऊंगी मैं उतना ज़्यादा मुझे benefit मिलेगा. Doing more or eating more is not going to give you more results. Now I would recommend you to cycle this. मतलब 2-3 महीने खाओ, then take 1 month of break and then again start 2-3 months and then take 1 month of break. तो अगर आप पूरे साल इसको खाना चाहते हो, you can definitely eat it. अगर आपके दिमाग में जो myth है कि अगर if we eat this in during summer मतलब ये body के लिए थोड़ा गर्म होगा, no, that is myth. It's not that much, because we are just eating a fraction of portion in 1 laddu of all the ingredients, and a monthly gap जो आप लोगे हर 2 या 3 महीने के बाद, that is going to work like कि आपकी body को थोड़ा time मिलेगा, your hormones receptors are going to reset. So इसके benefits आपको effectively and efficiently मिलते रहे, and it is also technically going to reduce your like overconsumption of the amount of fat that you are eating whole day. Now you might be thinking कि इसको हम अकेले खाएं. There are several ways you can have it. एक तो आप टी और कॉफी के साथ ले सकते हो, मतलब have this first, पहले ये खा लो फिर आपकी चाय और कॉफी पियो. You can also add it, एक pair of fruit आप उसके साथ ऐड कर दो to make it more balanced. अगर आपने प्रोटीन, वे प्रोटीन पाउडर कुछ यूज नहीं किया तो you can also add fat free Greek yogurt on side. If you eat eggs, then you can eat 3 to 4 egg whites, or you can just have 1 scoop of whey protein with it. So वो उससे आपको मिल जाएगा प्रोटीन. Fruits, you can add it any one piece of fruit that you love that is going to give you carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals and fiber. And this laddu is also going to give you healthy fats. उसमें थोड़ा प्रोटीन होगा, थोड़ा फाइबर होगा, but not majorly coming from it. So that's how you can make it well balanced. Have it with spearmint tea if you have PCOS. अगर आपको PCOS नहीं है but hair fall issue है, excess hair growth issue है body पे, तो भी आप spearmint tea ले सकते हो, or else just lemon ginger tea, chamomile tea, any kind of tea that you love. You can also take it with black coffee, decaf. Again, अगर आप evening में ले रहे हो, avoid any kind of caffeine going to your body, तो आपकी sleep disturb ना हो, and just want to have it for your good health, then any tea is good. Laddu or bar जो आपने बनाया है, and you can add a pair of fruit with it. So that is how you are going to make evening snack a way better that supports your health. Now here is something I always tell my clients, and I also want to be completely transparent about it to you. This laddu is built on seeds and nuts. 95% of the ingredients जो हमने use किए, and seeds and nuts are healthy source of fat. Yes, they are excellent. They are packed with a lot of nutrients in it, but it lacks protein. And for hormonal health, fat loss, managing PCOS, building lean muscles so that your metabolism gets faster, you need protein as well. So minimum 20 to 30 gram of protein in the morning with this आप ले सकते हो. You have options, either whey protein, either fat-free Greek yogurt and egg whites. You can add it to make it high protein. So here's how you can make it 100x more effective. 2 से 4 scoop whey protein isolate. अगर आप plant based यूज करते हो तो वो यूज कर सकते हो. I would say ideally chocolate flavor is going to work best for this recipe. तो उससे आपका थोड़ा टेस्ट भी होगा. कैसे करना है? Dry powder मत यूज करना when you roast the ingredients and when you are ready to bind it. Take protein powder, take little bit of water or milk and mix it. मतलब एकदम thick slurry बना दो. Or just use it when you are blending dates, but make sure कि वो थोड़ा thick हो, पतला हो जाएगा, so the mixture is not going to bind well. You can add that and then you can make your laddus. अगर आपको अंदर नहीं ऐड करना, I have already told you what options you can add on side. That is going to do wonders for your health, because this will reduce your cravings. This is going to help you boost your metabolism. This is going to support your fat loss, PCOS, hormonal imbalances, and also going to keep you fuller for a longer period of time, and also going to help you preserve your lean muscle mass. Quick note, who can have this and who should not have this, because I get this question on daily basis. Who should have this laddu? So if you are a woman between age 18 to 50, this is built for you, all life stages. Also, if you are dealing with premenopause, perimenopause or menopause symptoms, you can also add this. Just consult your doctor before adding this. The quantity, the portion and the timing might differ for you as well. If you are a woman with PCOS, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds and fenugreek directly targets your hormone and blood sugar imbalances. So that is also going to help you. If you are a woman with hair fall issues, low energy, mood swings, skin issues, then definitely start this. If you are also a busy mom or busy working woman and you have excuse कि I don't have time to eat breakfast, then this is complete option for you. So no excuses from today. And if you are a man and if you are wondering should I have this, definitely you can have this. My mother eats this, my partner eats this, Even my father also eat this laddu. I also eat this laddu. It's not that it's just for women, but this primarily video is for women so that I can help you get your health better. But I also include this laddu in my diet because the ingredients that I have used is not specifically for only women or only men. Everyone can have it. Every human body needs vitamins and minerals and nutrients to function at every stage of life. So yes, men can also add it. Places where you can add this if you are men. Breakfast में add कर लो अगर आप सुबह में workout करते हो, have it in the morning. दूसरा option is going to be best at night before bed. That is going to support your hormones, your testosterone level production, your growth hormone when you are sleeping. So this is a little tweak of timing when you can have this if you are men. Let me help you build realistic expectation कि आपको इससे कैसे result मिलेगा और कितना मिलेगा. Because I'm not a salesperson, I'm not selling this. I'm a coach sharing a recipe so that it can support in your health. This is going to work over time with consistency. So एक दो हफ्ते खा के ऐसा मत बोलना कि कुछ फील नहीं हो रहा, कुछ इसका बेनिफिट नहीं हो रहा. First month when you start eating this, your digestion is going to get better, your energy levels is going to improve. जो आपको 2-3 बजे जो cravings होती है, that is going to get reduced. You're going to feel a lot more energetic. Then month 2, your skin is going to get better. अगर आपको acne हो रहे हैं, that is going to get reduced. अगर आपको acne या कुछ issue नहीं है, you will see your skin quality is getting better. Bloating कम हो रहा है, more stable sleep because you are having magnesium coming from a lot of ingredients. So your sleep quality is also going to get improved. Your cortisol levels are going to go down. So you will technically feel less stressed. Then month 3, you will find कि आपकी eyes, आपके nails, आपके hair is improving. Hormonal symptoms जैसे कि PMS हो गया, mood swings हो गया, irregular periods, more cramp. So that is also improving and getting better. So this is how this is going to help you in 2-3 months. So don't expect कि 1-2 हफ्ते में miracle results आ जाएंगे. One rule, if you want to go away with one takeaway, remember consistency is going to beat perfection. So one laddu every single day for next 60 to 90 days straight is what your goal should be. And in case अगर आप कभी भूल जाते हो तो ऐसा मत करना कि मंडे ट्यूसडे खाया, वेडनेसडे भूल गई मैं खाना या फिर भूल गया खाना या थर्सडे नहीं खाया तो फ्राइडे को आई विल हैव 3 लड्डू. नो, 1 लड्डू एवरी सिंगल डे इज गोइंग टू बीट 3-4 लड्डू हैविंग वन डे. तो अगर आप भूल जाते हो इट्स फाइन, आइदर हैव इट इन द इवनिंग अगर आपको सुबह में याद नहीं रहा, और रहने दो उस दिन के लिए, नेक्स्ट डे रिमेंबर इट एंड हैव इट. सो इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस रिगार्डिंग दिस रेसिपी और एनी क्वेश्चंस ऑन PCOS, hormones, fat loss, strength training, workouts, exercise, managing cravings or managing busy schedule, drop your questions in the comment. And whenever you try this recipe, tag me at Coach Jeet Bhatt on Instagram and share a picture of your laddu. I want to see it that you are working towards your better health. And if you found this video valuable, then this is for you. If you are a busy Indian woman living abroad, US, Canada, UK, Australia, trying to lose fat, manage PCOS and get in the best shape of your life while managing work, home, responsibilities and career, and of course everything else in your life, then this is exactly who I have built this program for. It's designed to be simple, structured and sustainable so you can stay consistent without overthinking. So if you are serious about results, click the link in the description and join now. I will see you inside. And don't forget to subscribe my channel because I post videos like this every single week for women like you. Alright, this is your coach JB signing off. Until next time, take care, over and out.